Hello, welcome back to the Proud Surveyors Union. We're here at Makerere Tank Hill. Today we're going to look at GNSS. That's the Global Navigation Satellite System. It has different systems of satellites. That's a GPS, the American satellites. We're having GLONASS, the Russian satellites. We're having Galileo, those are the European satellites, Beidou, the Chinese satellites, and others. But what is inside the GNSS kit? So first of all, I'm having my kit here. Yeah, it's here. So we need to get to know what is always inside. We know there should be receivers, but I shall show them to you. Basically, there is always a tape measure, as you can see this. Yeah. Extra batteries for your receiver, the charger, then the data logger, or what can connect you to a PC. Then you also have the receiver. The receiver, it's this here, the Trimble R8S. When you look at this, they give you an extra stand that it holds. It's 0.25 meters. You will see that this it's actually receiving satellite signals, and also it's logging in data. So those are the basic components of a GPS. You can have multiple receivers. For this one, there are actually two. So the different observations we are using it for. When you look at this, there are different modes of GNSS that can be used for data collection or monitoring, having what you call the real-time kinematics, that's RTK, the static observations, and others. So right now, remain the proud surveyors, remain the youth mappers. Catch up you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace.